Thank you for visiting Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a battery for a 2018 Infiniti QX80 SUV. And today we have Matthew, is our master installer here at Battery Guys, and he has a 10-inch millimeter wrench he's using to take off the bracket that's located on this battery. And bracket is usually directly centered across the battery, and you just unloosen it with a 10-inch wrench, and it should come right on up. As you see right here where Matt just displayed here on YouTube. So now we're going to take this same 10-inch millimeter wrench, and we're going to take off the positive cable. And if this is your first time at the Battery Guys channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we do upload new vehicles every day that we are installing here at Battery Guys. And you never know, you might have a friend, family member might need some guidance and instructions how to take these batteries out, because they do get kind of difficult on ones. So now we're taking off the negative terminal. Matt used a 10-inch millimeter to take off the 10. So, and that battery should lift right on up. Now we're inserting the world's best reconditioned battery, which is Battery Guys. Folks, if you haven't visited our website, please visit our website, batteryguyswithaz.com, and check out the prices that we do offer here. And we ship nationwide, free, directly to your doorstep. You help saving the planet, you're saving the environment. We also we are reducing global warming as well. So what we're doing now, Matt, he is putting back on the positive terminal. I'm sorry, the negative terminal. And there's that back bracket that I was talking about. We're going to put back down, but there's two hooks that goes right down. They're easy, they connect very easy on top of that this box. And one good thing I like about this Infiniti truck is that that battery bracket is easy to go on, because trust me, it's hard to go on the Nissans, on the Nissan Altimas. That bracket is a pain in the butt to put back on them cars if you ever took one off and tried to put it on, because the hooks are not as easy as is here on this Infiniti QX80 here. But right now what we're doing is Matt, he's tightening the bolts down back on the bracket of this battery. You try to get it going first, because he can reach back over and make sure to get the other bolt started too at the same time. But we appreciate you guys for definitely visiting the channel. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. That helps the channel grow. And hit the notification as well too. So what we're doing now is Matt, he's tightening down the center bracket. And now he's tightening the other part of the bracket up as well. Now put your safety caps back on your left and your right. That's basically help keep the corrosion off the battery buildup. And now he was going to tighten up that last bolt on the positive terminal. And folks, we are done installing this battery. Again, thank you for visiting Battery Guys with a Z. And please stop back on the channel, and because we're gonna have different uploads of different vehicles and exciting more things that's coming to the channel as well.